Now this level, here I am driving on the wrong side of the road, but whatever, okay. It's going to get a lot harder throughout the game. This is not so bad, not so bad at all. I'm sorry, I'm just going to go a little faster because I can and I have the space. Hug the building. Of course, you haven't even seen what the space looks like yet. I wish I could say that I haven't done this level 20 times already. We don't have a lot of room. All right, so it's just as your typical standard, not a lot of space dock. Okay, looking good. I'm not pointing towards the space. That's exactly what I want. All right, let's do our hard jackknife because we can. Oh, okay, missed that trailer. And I've already screwed myself up. Okay, the reason why I have to stop is because I'm too close to here and I'm not going to be able to do a pull forward. So I'm going to leave the steers where they are. Go off to the right. Not hit, not hit it. Okay. Let's go off to the left a little bit. Now we can start chasing it a lot better. Okay, I might have even gotten my 3 stars. Not that that's that important.